In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and block unwanted emails in Gmail. We all know how overwhelming an overcrowded inbox can be, especially when a good chunk of it is junk or unwanted messages. So let's dive into some Gmail features that can help you manage this chaos and regain control over your inbox in just a few simple steps. To start off, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Look at the top of the page and you'll find the search bar. Beside it, there's a little icon that looks like a triangle pointing downwards. This is the search options icon. Click on that to open up the email search options. This handy tool helps you narrow down your search to make it more precise, filtering emails by sender, subject, or even specific keywords. Next, locate the From field in this window. This is where you type the email address of the sender whose emails you'd like to filter out. If it's a promotional email or a nagging newsletter you're tired of seeing, this is where you'll add the sender's address. Be accurate here as you want the filter to work effectively. With the email address entered, scroll down and click on Create Filter. It's usually at the bottom right of the form. This action will prompt a new set of options, allowing you to determine what happens when an email that matches the filter criteria arrives in your inbox. Among these options, find and select Skip the Inbox, Archive it. This prevents the email from cluttering your inbox, moving it directly to your archives. This is particularly useful for emails that you don't want to see immediately, but may still want to reference later. Another great option is to click Never Mark it as important. Gmail tends to prioritize emails based on your interaction history, but in this case, you're telling it that emails from this sender are not a priority for you. This way, even if they do appear somewhere else in your Gmail, they won't be flagged as important. Finally, scroll down and click Create Filter again. This final step saves the filter with your selected options. Congratulations! You've now effectively filtered out unwanted emails from your inbox. Your Gmail will automatically keep these messages out of sight, filed away neatly in your archives for a cleaner, more manageable inbox. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up filters in Gmail. By taking a few moments to set these parameters, you're well on your way to a less cluttered email experience. Don't forget you can always modify or delete these filters if your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.